Welcome to New Zealand. This is Hawke's Bay, an area dotted with dozens of orchards, vineyards and farms, including some of the 26 million sheep currently reckoned to be here. Not perhaps the place you would expect to find, tucked away in the rolling hillside near the city of Napier, a fascinating private family museum. The Lemmon Trust Museum contains not just a range of memorabilia and farm equipment from the past, but also some fabulous classic and vintage cars and motorcycles. The cars are all British or American, and names such as Bean, Rolls-Royce, Dodge and Studebaker adorn the grille badges. The collection includes a wonderful 1910 Austin, a Studebaker that once belonged to prominent Napier businessman Gerhard Husheer, and a 1950s Humber Imperial that was used during the Royal Tour of New Zealand in 1953 and was sold to the Lemmon family once the tour was over. It arrived complete with its set of royal pennants still tucked into the door pockets. The cars were collected by the father and grandfather of the collection's current trustee, Adrian Lemmon. Adrian told us that all of the cars are still in working order and could be driven again given a service and some fresh fuel. Although the museum has not yet opened to the public pending approval from the authorities, Adrian very kindly allowed us inside for a private viewing. Oh, here's the engine of the 1910 Austin. Oh, it's an 8-cylinder. '24 Buick.
Years of stuff here when you think about it, you know. Oh, yeah. It's unbelievable.
Years putting of that.
Yeah, oh, it's unbelievable.
This one's a 1923 Buick. We'll go down the side, have a look inside. Just 2 seats. Nice little dash. You can see the advance and retard on the steering wheel. And on the back here, there's a dicky seat that would come up out of the back there using that handle. This one's a Studebaker, 1918. Wooden dash, just a few dials there. Again, the advance and retard on the steering wheel. A privacy screen for the passengers in the back. And a little seat for 2, maybe 3. Plenty of leg room there. And then finally, a 1910 Austin. Let's have a look inside. Again, lots of leg room, beautiful seating. The buttons in the leather there. Brass lamp on the front. This is a 1910, so this belonged to Adrian's grandfather, he was telling me. 70-something Morris Minor.
Yeah, like,
Oh, it's ridiculous.
why would you need 70 Morris
Yeah.
Minors? Yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
I understand how he started. That's right. There's loads of
That's all I came here.
20s and 30s.
Yeah,
I've
pedal
played a
and
few
get
cobwebs
cobwebs.
walking in the
Yeah,
middle.
yeah, that's
actually.
right.
I
Yeah,
can feel
yeah.
Oh, Adrian's
Well,
not doing
you've got
it.
to
He's
see
not
them.
doing his housekeeping, All he's got to do is get a fluffy feather and run them between
Well, I do normally, but I mean, I haven't been here for the last
You
2 or
have
3
to do
weeks.
it almost every day to keep it
No,
clear.
yeah, supposed to be tomorrow. Right, for at least, yeah, we'll